Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. So right now I'm taking a 5 minutes trend line breakout trade. A 5 minutes trade for trend line breakout. Yes, this is it. Why am I taking this? Because I found the structure. As you can see, this is a trend line that has formed over time. You see the trend line starting from here. You can see it here. This is a trend line. And again, this is the this is the support, this is the support, and this is the resistance. Now let's go back. I told you in one of my deep explanation videos how to trade the breakout. Now as you can see this strong breakout, right? Because this candlestick is closer to the support line, and here is the now it was resistance, but since it's broken, it's now support. Since this candle is closer to the support line here, the close of this candle and the support line is not that far, you can go with this candle as a call. But if you look at the closing price now of this candle and the support line, there is a big distance. So because of this, you have to wait for this candle to come back down before you go into this. Now, looking at this candle, you see how strong it is. You see how strong it is. This is a new support line that has formed between here. Yes, this is a new support line, right? So for price to go up, it may come back down again here, change of polarity, and then go up. So I did 5 minutes so that every drama that the price has to play, we unfold here, and when it unfolds, we end up in a call trade and a win option. So let's see. Okay, now this is it. It's still going up. Now, while we were inside this range, if you can see this, if you come back here, you can see that this is clearly what this is. Let's start from here. Okay, as you can see from here, you can see this is an evening star, and you can see how the price went down here. You see how the price went down, came up again. You see a shooting star and an engulfing candle. See an engulfing candlestick here to show you that the support and resistances they work. You see an engulfing candlestick here, and then the price went straight down here. Now, if you look further here, it came back down here again. You see another engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle. Price went back down. So I was expecting something like this to happen, but you can see here we are not seeing any kind of reversal pattern, any strong reversal pattern. The only thing we are seeing here now is this breakout. So the moment I see this breakout, we switch our analysis, because we know in trading there is always breakout. We switch our analysis, and then we get this breakout, this retest, and then this continuation. Yeah, that is how it is. So we have some 1 minute left for this price to continue going up. Please, if in case you don't know, the ebook is available. It's not free, it's paid. Of course, this ebook will help you get candlestick patterns, volume and price analysis pattern, different kind of candlestick setups. As you can see, these are the different kind of setups that you can just watch out for, and you can do your trade based on these setup. You can get the market sentiment, how to read the market using the indicators and the Bollinger Bands. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands are here. This is why I made this ebook, so that it can make your own trading experience better. This is just a short version. The complete ebook goes a long way to explain so much about candlestick analysis. You can see how to read momentum. These were the candlestick I explained just now, not quite long ago. The reversal candlestick, the engulfing, the evening star. After this candlestick, what did you see? It will go down. As you can see, found at the end of an uptrend. Uptrend has anomaly. Uptrend pressure is weak, and with this, you find out that this is what I explained here. You see, okay, that trade. You see, found at the end. This is the beginning of an uptrend now. This is the end of an uptrend, right? And now, what do we see here? We see that we have let me show you well. We see we have an evening star sorry, a an engulfing candlestick here found at the end of an uptrend. The uptrend what has anomaly. Listening to that language, the uptrend has anomaly. Where is the anomaly in this uptrend? You can see this week. You can see these weeks. These weeks are showing something is wrong in this uptrend. The uptrend has anomaly. Uptrend is weak. How is it weak? Because from here you can see the weakness coming in from the uptrend. You can see how the sellers came in from here. You see it again from here. So this has taken so much weakness, so much strength from the uptrend. So if this has happened here, you are seeing this week, this strength has been taken from the uptrend here. Strength has been taken from the uptrend here. So how come these buyers are trying to go up? You can see anomaly, and after there you see this candlestick pattern, and when you see that candlestick pattern, it confirms the reversal, and after then the price starts going down. This is what you see here. We, like I said, if you study, if you are really serious and you study these patterns, you find everything happening in the market. Everything will be happening in the market, and then you get the ebook to understand the foundation, the reason. Sorry, you get the course to understand the foundation between the real players. I'm talking about real human beings behind this price action. This is what I made for you guys. So this is the video for today. This is the video. As you can see, after this move, the prices has begun to reverse. Why? Because as you can see, this is an evening star found at the end of an uptrend. This is the end of an uptrend, of a major uptrend. That means the uptrend is still going to continue, but this will be the end for just for now. From somewhere here, the uptrend will continue. How is it the end? So that you can see now how why I said this is the end, because in this uptrend that started from here, you see this candlestick took away some pressure. This red candlestick took away some pressure. You see, it took away some pressure, and then the uptrend continued again. These candlesticks here are taking pressure from the uptrend, so the uptrend might continue again. Then you're going, after you see something like this, then you begin to believe every reversal pattern you see, because it will lead to a downward correction. But in this case, I would prefer that you go always with the upward direction because of this breakout from this strong trend lines. Okay, so okay, you see it will be going up again, but then you can now be using the downward direction for your trade, because this is where the insiders trade from. So until next time, I want you to subscribe, share, and like this video if this is your first time. So until next time, bye bye.